We guide you through how to hide bookmarks in Google Chrome. First, open Chrome and look at the top right corner. Click on the three dot menu, scroll down to Bookmarks, and then select Show Bookmarks bar to toggle it off. This instantly hides your bookmarks bar from view. If you want to hide individual bookmarks, press Ctrl plus Shift plus B to remove the bar temporarily, or right click any bookmark on the bar and delete to remove it completely. For a cleaner approach, go to Settings, click Appearance, and toggle Show Bookmarks bar off. Additionally, you can organize bookmarks into folders and keep the bar minimal. And finally, remember that these changes are synced across devices if you are signed in to your Google account, making it easier to manage privacy and declutter your browser without affecting access to saved sites.